Hello friends, it's Miss Nora with the CH Booth Library, and I am here today to talk to you about our March Grab and Go craft, which will be available for you to pick up and take home in the children's department. So this month we'll be making leprechaun traps or fairy traps, whichever you would like to try and catch. In your bag will be all the things you need. You'll just need to add maybe some markers, if you have some glitter. If you need crayons, those would be yours, some scissors, and some glue or tape. But we'll have everything else in there for you. So to start out, we'll have a paper towel roll in there for you, and we'll have some paper in there for you. It's up to you. You could roll your paper up like this to make a trap, or you can cover your paper towel holder with the paper, or you can choose to paint it or color it with markers. So I chose to roll my paper towel holder up in the paper, and I taped it on there. There'll be some circles in there. So this one you'll put at the top so that when the leprechaun or the fairy goes in, it can close. And there'll be another one for you to put on the back so they can't run out the back of your trap. There'll be some stickers in there for you to decorate with. And then there'll be a popsicle stick. So I decorated mine with some stickers. I drew some hearts on there. And then I have a message, and it says, "Get your gold here." Because we know that the fairies and the leprechauns like shiny metal things that attracts them over to come into your trap. So I'm going to put some gold in there. There'll be some gold in your bag, and see what you can catch this March. Maybe you'll catch a leprechaun. We have books about leprechauns, and we have a large assortment of fairy books if you're interested in taking some books home with you to go along with your grab and go craft. So we hope to see you soon.